families. Today we're going to focus on a first grade math standard that states we can count to 120, starting at any number less than 120, and read and write numerals and represent a number of objects with a written numeral. The 100s chart is an excellent tool to use to assist with counting and recognizing number patterns. You could also use the 100s chart to add and subtract. Your child is familiar with the 100s chart. It is important to continue to spend time saying, writing, and thinking about the numbers up to 100. Play a round of missing numbers. Use pennies to cover 5 numbers on the 100s chart while your child closes their eyes. Have your child decide what numbers are missing. They can write the numbers they think are missing. Be sure to ask questions. How did you decide that the number 36 was missing?
I knew 36 was missing because there is a space between 35 and 37.
Correct. Your child can use the 100s chart to identify counting sequences and number patterns. For example, practice counting by twos. Use addition to show they understand these patterns. So, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now let's try to count by fives. As they see the pattern unfolding, they can predict what the picture will look like in the end. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What do you think the picture will look like in the end?
I predict that both rows will go all the way to the bottom.
Correct. The 100s chart is also an excellent tool for addition and subtraction. Let's try the addition sentence 4 plus 9. Remember to start at the larger number, which is 9. Add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 9 equals 13. Now let's subtract. Let's try 7 minus 5. Start at 7 and take 5 hops back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. The grid formation will help your child add and subtract 10. Let's try 36 plus 10. We'll start at 36, go down 1 row. 10 more than 36 is 46. Let's try another one. 42 plus 10. We'll start at 42, add 10 more, so go down 1 row, and you land on 52. To subtract, let's try 24 minus 10. Start at 24, and this time go up 1 row. 24 minus 10 equals 14. As your child navigates their way around the hundreds chart, they may start to recognize how they can add 9. In the addition sentence 52 plus 9, encourage your child to find the number 52 and think about what 10 more would be. 52 plus 10 would be 62. So 52 plus 9 must be 61. Please click on the link included in the Edmodo note to find the materials and directions for a great game Mrs. Salvani shared with me called Hundreds Chart Digit Game. Also, be sure to check out abcya.com, then click on 100 Number Chart. This game requires children to place numbers on the correct spot of the chart. There's also a beginner and challenge level. Parents, thank you for your support at home. Please use the hundreds chart to help your child recognize patterns, add, and subtract.